morning, everybody. Today when we woke up, there was a heavy fog on, so I'm not going to get started planting as early as I'd like. I'm going to go to the farm that we're going to show wheat at today, or maybe tomorrow, and bush hog the road, because I haven't bush hogged down there yet, so I'm sure the grass is probably waist high, but I'm going to do that, and then that should only take about 30-40 minutes, and then by the time I get the tender or the planter filled up, should be ready to start planting. We'll see how everything goes. That's the plan. Hey guys, on the way to start planting for the day. I'm only going to get a plant for about an hour and a half. Hopefully I can get enough done of this 90-acre field that I can get done with it tonight without being too god-awful late. Like I say, head back, get the combine out, and move to the next farm here in about an hour and a half or so. Pro 700, I'm doing a headlands pass. Basically, I'm recording my line so that it will steer me around the next pass. One thing I hate about this monitor is you have to hit pause every time you come to a corner to back up. It's pretty easy to forget about that. And even sometimes when you do everything right, you pause at all the corners, make everything work. Do everything you're supposed to do. Sometimes it'll still tell you turns too short and guidance unavailable or something along those lines. It's pretty frustrating. It's definitely a first world farming problem though. It's not the end of the world or anything, that's for sure. We'll see if it does that when I get back to where I started at. Didn't work. For some reason all the stars aligned, and on the second pass I did the same procedure to try to get my steering lines, and it worked, so lucky me. Well, that's it for planting for now. I got the end rows done in this field. I'll probably come back to it this evening and finish it. I'm going to leave the planter down here, but I'll be in the combine in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, we're here. It's a magic trick. Got little man with me now, so maybe we'll finally get some work done. Been in the combine a whopping 5 minutes and already has M&Ms. Maybe here, right there. Like 4 or 5 days into this, and I realized I've never introduced all the guys that are helping us or working for us right now. There's me, obviously, and then there's my dad. His name's Bob. My uncle, George, he drives the semis, and he can run the cart too. He does a little bit of everything. Then we also got my nephew Trey. He barely knows how to run the cart, and that's pretty much it. And then today we got my buddy Cody, aka Big Mike. He's trucking for us today too. In the fall we might have a couple of different guys fill in every now and again, but that's who we got for wheat harvest right now. And then of course we got Dax, my son. Crab. For the crab. This is the cutter bar of the Draper head. These are sections and they break periodically. As you can see, this one's broke. He's just stopping to replace it. It's a pretty common wear item, so not a big deal. Little man wanted to ride with Pappy, so he's in that combine now. Right now, Trey is at he's at some kind of family function or something, so George is riding the cart for now. Trey should be here fairly soon though. If anybody has any tips or suggestions on adjusting one of these CVs, if one of the other tractors is like quarter mile away from me, they say they can hear me fine, but when they get close, they can't hear anything. I've adjusted everything that I can adjust on this CB. It's just a cheapo from Wally World. I can't get it dialed in. Trey, you gotta keep moving, it's gonna overflow.
You say go in mode?
Whenever I start slowing down like that when you're getting full, it's because I'm trying to load the cart. So when you stop, I can't go anywhere and it overflows the grain cart.
Hear me?
Yeah, you there?
Yeah.
Hey, Cole, when you leave up there, we'll probably be at the next farm. We're going to move over across the road from my house. Do you know how to get there?
Yeah.
Okay. Get your close up. Moving to the next farm. Probably take us a couple of trips, I'd say. But the first 44 acres done. See if we can knock out another 44. This overpass is so narrow that once I get going up here, there's nowhere for a car to pass me. So what my dad's doing with the head up there, he's blocking the road so that no one has a chance to get to me. It's the safest way. I know it pisses people off when they don't understand what's going on, but it's a lot better than having a car wreck. So it is what it is. Happy you driving?
Happy my license.
Hey, Dutch.
He's telling you he's driving.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeehaw. You ready to go home?
No.
No. Well, that's it for the combine today. Now I'm going to go back to planting in 3, 2, 1. And go back in the planter. the end of the row, turned around, hit the engage button, put the planter down, and did a 180. It's like the monitor doesn't know where I'm at, or the GPS. Sometimes stuff like that happens in the evening. Hopefully this is, doesn't last too long. Looks like it might fix itself this time. There we go. Sometimes they act funny in the evening, I don't know why. Now we're still not steering right. Thing says it's in the center of that red line, but it sure don't look like it to me. Now we're back in business. That was goofy. Playing at 62 acres. There's about 88 acres in this field. That map shows what I got left to plant. Done with the field. Got about another, only got about another 3 acres left in the home stretch, that's for sure. Pretty tired, but I like this time of night. There's no one else out here, it's just me. Pretty peaceful. You get a lot of time to think when you're out here and everything's running right. That's a wrap for the day. Ended up getting done with that field a little sooner than I thought. It's 11:30. Ended up getting 90 acres of double crops planted and 100 acres of wheat shelled. So hopefully if we don't have any more breakdowns and have another good day, we can finish wheat harvest tomorrow. And then weather pending, finish double crop planting Monday. But we'll see how that goes. There's a lot of moving parts that got to stay together for all that to happen, and we're going to be down a couple guys tomorrow. So I don't know if we'll make it or not, but we're sure going to try it.